Here's how to create this crazy clone effect for free using just your phone. You need 3 shots. Get a shot of you sitting on the bench. Get a second shot of you walking in from the side. Make sure not to cross over where you were sitting in the first shot. Repeat this on the other side for a 3rd shot. You can also click the button below to edit with me while watching this video. Import those clips into CapCut. Select the second clip. Tap overlay to drop it down to the second layer. Select the 3rd clip. Tap overlay to drop it down to the 3rd layer. Slide both clips over to the left. Tap mask, then choose split mask. Using your fingers, rotate the mask line in between the 2 clones. Now select the clip on the 2nd layer, add a split mask, rotate it to separate the clones again, and that's it. It should look something like this.